Souso sneaks into the kitchen. Look! The dishwasher door is open. Dishes! A perfect playground. She jumps up. Paw, paw, paw. Buttons pressed. Souso waits proudly. But nothing happens. Maybe the pipes are the problem. Souso squeezes under the sink, her golden eyes glowing in the dark. Tap, tap, tap. She hits the pipes. Still no dishwasher. Then crack! Water sprays everywhere. Murrow! Souso panics, first soaking wet. She dashes for towels, slipping on the floor. Oh no, clothes from the girl's room, now dripping wet, scattered everywhere. Mom arrives, gasps in shock, looking to the kitchen. The plumber is called to fix it. Souso hides in the corner, golden eyes wide, mewing softly, trying to explain. I was just helping. The girl picks her up, hugging gently. Poor, forgiven again. Souso learns, sometimes love means not fixing everything yourself.